How to draw an owl, draw birds, YouTube kids. Today we will learn how to draw an owl. First, draw a small circle and draw a second circle next to it. These will be the eyes of an owl. Now draw two large circles. These will be the eyes of an owl outside. There are two large circles around the owl's eyes. We will draw them. Now draw the beak. It is sharp and bent downwards. Now let's draw two ears. Small and sharp ears. Listen carefully to what is happening around. Draw the body of an owl. Now draw the body, paws of the hare and draw the details. Now let's draw two wings. The wings have been shown solely to give a sense of proportion. Our owl is sitting on a twig. Draw the paws of an owl at a tree branch. Let's finish the details. See what owls are. Come to us again, and we will draw a lot of interesting things.